Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make kosher pickles, easy method. Sterilize jars, wash cucumbers, and prepare a brine with kosher salt, vinegar, garlic, and dill. Decide whether you want a quick pickle or a fermented batch, and I will guide you through timing and temperature. I keep instructions simple and kitchen-friendly so you can enjoy crisp, tangy pickles at home with confidence and minimal fuss. In this video, I will show how to make kosher pickles, easy method. Gather firm pickling cucumbers, kosher salt, white vinegar, fresh dill, and garlic. I recommend measuring salt carefully to balance flavor and safety. Optional spices like coriander seed or mustard seed add depth, but keep the core simple. Rinse, produce well, and trim ends as needed, and I will walk you through layering and packing jars for ideal results. In this video, I will show how to make kosher pickles, easy method. Start by sterilizing jars and packing cucumbers with dill and garlic, then prepare your brine and pour it over the cucumbers to cover completely. Seal jars and label them with the start date, and follow either a quick pickle cooling schedule or a fermentation routine at room temperature. I explain timing, temperature tips, and tasting cues so you can get crisp.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.